caviar always give you the more fishy feeling, you know. So you will feel nice seafood.
Now start.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to make one of my signature appetizer plat, which will be including the condiments of crab stick. Basically, I named the dish is like crab cucumber roll with the spiced sesame dressing and some herbs and avocado puree, okay, and pickled vegetables. So here we have the ingredients, basic ingredients. This is sesame seeds. This is Philadelphia cheese, avocado puree, sesame oil, Kewpie mayonnaise, cucumber, crab meat, and you have some greens, chili flakes, some flying fish roll, caviars, black and red, just to give the different color. And you have some pickled vegetables for the crunch and some chili flakes. Take the sesame dressing my way. We'll toast the sesame seeds and then crush it with the mortar. You will crush until it is like a semi-crushed. Sorry, my table is making too much noise. After this one is molded nicely, make the powder, Kewpie mayonnaise, or you can use the regular mayonnaise as well if you don't have available in the market. Some sesame oil, bit of chili flakes, dash of rice wine vinegar. Sorry, I didn't mention it in the ingredient list. Or you can use the lime juice as well if you are not a big fan of the rice vinegar, because many people. Okay. Then anything you make, taste. Normally the Kewpie mayonnaise already have the salt, so to make sure the cucumber, okay, to make the rollad, you will this will be very nice if you have Alaskan king crab, you know. But since we do not have available now at the moment in hand, so I'm using this crab sticks for the alternative. We put a little bit of salads and then some coriander, chopped coriander, okay, and some olive oil, salt and pepper. Fresh pepper. Whenever you have available, try to use always the fresh pepper milk to make the sauce. So here we have next is cream cheese. You just mash it well. You can add little bit of cream to give it more smooth texture. This one to give the like this texture. Layer like this, similar the way you make sushis. You spread your cream cheese, apply a little bit at the end so it will stick very well. Then put your stuffing. As I said, it will be very nice if you have a fresh crab meat, Alaskan crab. It will be very nice. Roll, squeeze, and then you can cut 3 small pieces and keep one whole as it is. Or you can give the sideways as you like. How you tall size of the roulade on top of the mixer. Here you can crush or make it standing like this. Drop your pickled vegetables. Many chefs, they tend to if something drop, they start wiping it down. Let it be like a play, like a art. If this is drop here, if you put one leaves of shisho to cover here, then it will looks nice here, rather than you start wiping off and then your all plate will get the dirty marks. Okay, so some cherry tomatoes and radish. If you wish to, you can cover up with the the caviar always give you the more fishy feeling, so you will feel nice seafood. Voila! Here you go.
Very nice, chef. Nice,
start.
chef.
Now I want you to taste and let me know what you think about